Good morning. My name is Nella Dominius, and I am here today to present an overview of the concept of attachment. According to Kellen Cavanaugh 2023, attachment is a deep emotional bond that forms between a child and a caregiver, especially the mother or a primary guardian. It is a biological and psychological connection that provides the child with a sense of security and comfort, typically in times of stress or fear. This theory, developed by John Bowlby, evolution, the field of developmental psychology, by emphasizing the importance of early relationships in shaping social, emotional, and cognitive development. Later, extended by Marianne Swan, attachment theory identifies different attachment styles that impact how individuals relate to others through life. John Bowlby formulated attachment theory in the mid of 20th century, drawing from evolutionary biology, psychoanalysis, and cognitive psychology. He proposed that infants are biologically predisposed to form attachment as a survival mechanism. According to Bowlby, the presence of a caregiver who provides safety, comfort, and nourishing create a secure base from which child can explore the world. Disruption in the early relationships can have long-lasting effect on a person's emotional well-being. There is the different style of attachment. First, secure attachment, on which children show distress when separated from the caregiver but easily comforted upon a reunion. Thus, children feel safe and trust their caregiver availability. Second, avoidant attachment. Children appear indifferent to separation and avoid the caregiver upon return. This style often develops when caregivers are emotionally unavailable. Third, ambivalent attachment. Children become extremely distressed at separation and are not easily sorted upon reunion, showing mixed feelings. This is usually the result of inconsistent caregiver. A fourth style, disorganized attachment, was later added by researchers to describe children who display confusing or contradictory behaviors, often linked to trauma or abuse. Attachment theory extends beyond childhood. Research shows that the attachment style formed in early life often carries into adulthood, influencing romantic relationships, friendships, and parenting behaviors. For example, securely attached adults tend to have healthy relationships, while insecure attached adults can contribute to anxiety, trust issues, or avoidant intimacy. A cross-sectional research by Lee and Young 2025 explored whether paternal co-parenting predicts the adolescent's life satisfaction directly or indirectly via adolescent attachment to parents and external problems. Adolescents present opportunity for change and growth. Supportive relationship with peers, mentor teachers, co-parenting, or therapists can help modify insecure patterns. Ground in a family system theory and biosocial cognitive model. Data were collected from 607 fathers, mothers, child trials in China and analyzing structural equation modeling. Another study by Black et al. 2025 examined how maternal social experience from infancy to adolescence shape attachment security in early adulthood, operationalized as a confidence in self and others. The research collected data from 3,648 participants in a prospective Australian birth cohort. Researchers also identified two key developmental pathways. First, maternal social connectedness and the child class friendships predicted later attachment confidence. Second, adolescents who experienced high quality maternal caregiving characterized by psychological touch, quality of time, and acceptance. This alternate caregiving pathway suggests that adolescence remains a sensitive period for shopping attachment. The research method for this study is a longitudinal research. In a conclusion, attachment has profoundly shaping understanding on human relationships. Through the pioneering work of Bowlby and Mary, I now recognize how early bonds influence lifelong patterns of behavior, emotion, and connection. Thank you.